Hi guys, it's Denise from Salvaged Inspirations, and today I will be showing you how to incorporate a silkscreen stencil onto a project. Now these can be used for anything. It can be used for a decor board, it can be used for, as in this case, a little luggage box that I'm redoing. It can be used on furniture, it can even be used on fabric. They're perfect for fabric because they are silk screen and you won't get any bleed through. So I'll just show you how it comes out of the package. Sorry for my last video. I have to say I'm no guru at this YouTube video stuff because I uploaded my last one and then it was in processing at 95%. YouTube deleted it and then I had to re-upload, so hopefully this one will go a little bit better for me. So as you can see, it comes out of the package, plastic package like this, and don't know if you can see on here, but there's a tiny little tab. And what that is it's gonna remove the backing from this silk screen stencil. Okay, there you go. So it just pulls off nicely like this. It is tacky sticky on this side. And I don't know if you can see, but it's kind of like a mesh silk screen, like a fine, fine, fine screen, which is what makes it so fabulous for no bleed through. So I'm gonna center it by eyeball, I think. Let's see. So now that I've centered it, I'm going to just rub it down. Now the technique that I'm doing, I've used these silk screen stencils with one color. This is my very first time that I'm going to be using numerous colors, so I'm excited to see how this turns out. This is going to be a first for me. So ReDesign with Prima has these applicators, these silicone applicators, which make it easy to apply. And we're using chalk paste in gorgeous colors. Chalk paste, I've chosen a few colors here, and I've also chosen some icing paste, which is, it has the shimmery to it. You can probably see that. Glittery first. Let's apply dark first. I don't know, I'm winging it. I'm totally winging this, guys. So I'm gonna take a little bit and apply it onto the flowers and the buds. I'm not worrying about it being perfect. Where's some more buds here? Some buds. Flowers, flowers, flowers. Okay. Then I think I'm going to go for some metallics. I honestly don't know how well these metallics are going to show up once I add them in. I'm not sure. Like I said, this is all new to me. But let's add these in here. That's pretty. Okay, now let's wipe this off and add another color. How about some greens on those leaves? It's kind of like a bluish green, but that's okay. Let's do that. Again, I'm not being too picky about colors running into each other. Let's do some blues. I don't know why. I think I just like the looks of it. Do some blues. Let's do some metallic blues. This is going to be an interesting experiment, that's for sure. I want gold. Definitely some gold highlights. That'll look great. And you can experiment with any colors you like. It really doesn't matter. The only thing is wipe this off sometimes before dipping, because you don't want to mix the colors in your container. I better be a little more careful with that. And now what color? Not sure. A little more blue. I was gonna do black, but I don't know if that's gonna. All right, let's try some black. I don't know. Ah! See? I mixed the colors. That's not good. Mix the colors in the container. That's not great. Let's try getting that blue out of there. All right, because I just want to, let's add a lot of black in there. All right, now that's looking pretty rough. That's not looking good, but let's see how this turns out. I'm going to take my large applicator and now smooth all this out. Take the excess off. And let's see how this looks. Oops, see it's sticking there. Ah, I got the Prima ReDesign in there. Okay, we'll have to sand that off. But aside from that, looks great. Looks really beautiful. I love it. Looks very nice. Okay, I'm gonna finish this box up and I will be back to show you the after. Okay guys, I'm back. So I tried putting a border on here and also this, and now that I'm looking at it, although I love the concept of using all the different colors and how they spread really nicely, I don't like the colors that I chose. Well, let's keep it real here. I just don't like it. I think it is looking a little too folk arty for me, and that's not the look that I was going for. So I started working on the darker box, and I've added my ReDesign with Prima floral transfers, and now I'm using a border stencil. Which border stencil is this? Tell you in a minute. It's a delicate fleur scroll. So I'm using this border stencil just in gold, and I'm using the icing paste. Okay, so where's my little gold thing? So I'll show you how I'm doing it. I just take very little bit of icing paste. It's exactly the same as, I don't know why when I do videos I always end up with, I don't know, what, dog hair or people hair or, oh my god. Okay, so I take a very little amount. This has been washed, seeing as I used all the different colors on the other one, but I'm just going to apply a little bit, a light coat, spread it out. Again, if I run out, I'll just add a little bit more. And I like the look where it's heavier in some areas, lighter in others, because I don't want this box to look perfect. I actually want it to look distressed. So I'm going to leave it slightly more gold in some areas, maybe lighter in others. And let's see how it looks when I pull it up. Love it. It's subtle and it's lovely. That's perfect. All right, I think I'm gonna go ahead and do all around the other edges here. I want the flowers to face on the inside, or maybe will that be too much? No, I think I'm gonna do it. Yes, I do. Center it. let's add a little more goldy glitz to this whole box. Being heavier in some areas. Now, if you want a more uniform, perfect look, obviously you would add it more evenly, okay? Or even take it off more evenly like so, right? Yeah. Okay, this I love. One more side. This is so pretty. And these little squeegee things are quite convenient. They do have it in larger size. If you're using one of these larger silk screens, they do have them in the larger size, which makes things a little more convenient. Seeing as I'm just using this border one. Ooh, I love it. That looks so good. So I'm going to finish up this box and come back and show you the after.